Hi student, that is 11th class mathematics. We are taking chapter number 2, exercise 2.1. Chapter number 2 be the exponent. Exponent, we already rules of exponents. We are taking exercise 2.1, question number first. Express the following as a rational numbers. 3 upon 4 raised to power 5 express as rational number. We know that 3 upon 5 power with 5, it means 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 and multiply 3 upon 4 5 times. We know that already in exponents expression we are taking 2 raised per 0, that is 1, 2 raised per 1, that is 2, 2 raised per 2 equal to 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 raised per 3, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, and so on. So if the power of any rational numbers becomes 5, so write down 5 times. We multiply 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. We get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243 and 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are, we multiply, we get 256 and 256 multiplied by 4, we get 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 4 5s are 20, that is carry 2 again, and 4 2s are 8, 2 1 0 2 4. We get an answers. We are getting question number second. Question number second, first part. Question number second, first part. Express is the following the rest of in the power notation. Express in power notation. We are getting 81 upon 625. So we factorize 81. We divided by 3, that is 27. We divided by 3 again, that is 9. Divided by 3, we get 3. And 625. We divided by 625 by 5, we get 125. Divided by 5, we get 25. Divided by 5, we get 5. So 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 625, write down 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Also write down 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. Also write down 3 upon 5 raised to power 4. We get an answers. So students, we are taking question number first or question number 3. Question number 3, first part. Minus 3 upon 7 and whole square into 14 upon 9 whole square. So we write down, express in rational numbers. We get 3 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7, write down 2 times. And 14 upon 9, write down 14 upon 9. So we get minus minus plus and 3 into 3 into 14 into 14, 7 into 7 into 9 into 9. So we multiplied here 3 3s are 9 and 14 into 14, that is 256. 196, sorry, 196, and 7 7s are 49, 9 9s are 81. We get 196 multiply by 9, 9 6s are 54, 4, 5 carry, 9 1s are 9 9s are 81 plus 5, 86, 8, 9 1s are 9 plus 8, that is 17. And we write down 1764. And 49 multiplied by 81, we get 9, 4, 8 9s are 72, 7 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 7, 39, 9 6 3 9. So we get an answers 3969. So 1764 upon with 3969 we the required answers. At last we given some homework. Student, you try to question number first, second, part, third part and fourth part. Also question number 2, second part, third part and fourth part. Question number 3, second part, third part and fourth part. So try these 9 questions. If any problem, you contact me. So this is my today's class. Thanks a lot.